Today I want to show you how I almost lost my drone. Since this winter I'm using the follow me function of the drone, and I know the settings a bit better, and also I know that I need to wear something that has a contrast to the surroundings, so meaning to the lake. So it's a bit more difficult if the lake is dark, like in evening times or in early mornings. But on most days on sunlight it works very well, and I've been filming myself a lot of times with the follow me function of the drone, which is a very great feature. But this time, and I don't know if you experience it, I tried the new Sirus XXL with the Sirus M snap, and I really liked it, and it was my first run, and I wanted to share it and film it, but then I crashed my foil into the water. I don't know exactly what I did wrong, but at this moment usually the drone loses me, and it makes sense because my shape and my contrast is very different if I go down into the water. But then the drone wanted also to go down and went really low, and I got really scared, and then it went even much lower, and as you can see it dived into the water, and only when the propellers were, I guess, almost submerged, it started to come back up again, because when they have resistance it's trying to start again. And as you can see, I was never close enough to swimming there that fast, and I was really, for me it was really a miracle that the drone didn't drown into that deep section of that lake. I don't know if you've experienced anything else like this, any solutions what I did wrong. Otherwise, it's just maybe some interesting stuff for you, and for me a miracle. Have a great day, and may the foil and the drone always with you.